How to fix we've detected unusual activity on the account you are trying to access. So if you want to fix the problem of we've detected unusual activity on your account you are trying to access, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, first make sure that you have not installed any third-party applications on your device, because if you've installed, then you might find some kind of problems. So if you've installed any third-party applications, you need to go and uninstall that. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is you need to make sure that you've not connected to any VPN service. So if you've connected to a VPN service, a lot of VPN services, then VPN is basically providing the third party IP address. So that's why Google is not accepting the accessing code or something like that. So you just need to simply go and turn off your VPN. Or the last solution is you can go and change your password. After changing your password, it will fix your problem. Because if someone has hacked your account or someone has accessed your account, then you will get this notification, which is we've detected unusual activity on your account. So you just need to simply go and change your password. And after changing your password, your problem will be fixed. So to change your password, you can open up your Google or your Gmail, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with the profile, which is on the top right. Tap on manage your Google account. Go with data and privacy, scroll down. Here you may have password option, or you can also go with the security section. Under security, here you will have password. Tap on password and then change your password. After changing your password, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix we've detected unusual activity on the account you're trying to access. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.